Fix empty window in Windows Security. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Fix corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Method 2. Install Windows updates. Method 3. Restart Windows Security Center service. Method 4. Run a PowerShell command. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Method 5. Reset Windows. If none of the previous solutions resolve the issue, consider resetting Windows. Keep in mind that this is a time-consuming process, as the Windows reset will remove all your apps and require reinstallation.